Now I am taking one more example where we will use the perpendicular bisector two times. In place of finding the half, we can find 3/4 or 1/4, or we can extend it. Draw a line segment PQ. First of all, we want to draw the line segment PQ of any given length or length which suits you, convenient length. And now by using ruler and compass, that's mean without calculation, obtain a line segment whose length is 3/4 of the length of the line segment PQ. That is 3/4 of the length of the given line segment. In order to show it, first of all, I am telling you, take your scale, that is ruler, take the pencil, and with the help of pencil and ruler, draw a line segment. You can say this is PQ and the length is 4.4 centimeters. Suppose a convenient length I am taking. Now the question is that I want to find 3/4. It means that what I need to do, first of all, I will go to do its perpendicular bisector. In order to do the perpendicular bisector, the method is same. How? First we will put the needle of compass at P. We will take the radius or length of arc more than the half of PQ. We will mark two arcs on the opposite side of PQ with the same length. We will just change the center. In place of P, we will take Q as center. Now taking Q as center with the same radius which was taken at P, we will mark two separate arcs like this. First, you suppose when you have taken P as center and radius of the arc more than half of PQ, suppose these were the arcs as shown. With the same radius, when we are taking Q as center, we are finding, suppose these are the arcs intersecting here. In fact, I am drawing the roughly, so you can now join these 2 points of intersection. Suppose this is A, this is B, and these meets here at a point M. Agreed? I am repeating, P and Q. PQ is a line segment drawn with the help of the pencil and compass of the length 4.4 centimeter as I adopted. Now, as I discussed in the previous question, it's a simple method how to draw the right bisector. I have drawn the right bisector. That is what? By taking P and Q separately, centers and radius more than the half of the length of the PQ. We have drawn the two arcs from P and two from Q. These arcs are intersecting at points A and B. Join AB. This line segment AB meeting PQ at M. So this becomes the right bisector. I will repeat the drawing of the perpendicular bisector. Same steps for the line segment MQ. If I take M as center and length more than the half of MQ, I can draw one arc here, one arc here. Then from Q, first I have drawn from M two arcs, then I have drawn two arcs from Q. Where these arcs meets, write down points C and D, and this point is N. What you can conclude? N is the midpoint of MQ. N is the midpoint of MQ. So you can say this MN and NQ are 1/4 of the PQ. Is it clear? I am repeating it. First, what you have done? First of all, we have drawn line segment PQ. First step, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment PQ and is of length as I have taken 4.4 centimeter. Second, what I did, draw perpendicular bisector as usual with the convenient method. Draw perpendicular bisector of PQ. So what conclusion is coming? That is, from here you can say PM is equals to MQ. Third step is this. Now draw perpendicular bisector of MQ. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of MQ. So what conclusion will come? That is MN is equals to NQ. So this line segment MN and NQ are equal, and these both are half of MQ, because I have drawn the right bisector in the second case of MQ. So MN and NQ are equal, and they both are half of the line segment MQ. Similarly, here you can say PM and MQ are equal. So PM is equals to MQ is equals to half of PQ. This we can conclude. So from here, what we can conclude? In the fourth, I can say that the PM plus MN, PM plus MN, PM is what? PM is half of PQ, PM is half of PQ, MN is half of MQ, but MN is 1/4 of PQ. MN is 1/4 of PQ. So I can say this become half plus 1/4, that is 3/4 of PQ. So I can say this line PM plus MN, PM plus MN, what is this? This is PN. So as per requirement, I can conclude that PN is equal to 3/4 of PQ. This was our target objective in this question, that with the help of ruler and compass, how we can draw a line segment and how we can obtain its 3/4. With the help of drawing the right bisector 2 times, I have drawn this. If somebody asks that how we can find 1/4, it is very clear. NQ is 1/4 from the second end point, and if you will do the same in the your left hand side toward PM, then if you will find, just like if it is your, this is P, this is Q, first right bisector meeting at M, and in place of doing this repeated exercise in the right hand side, if you will do it here, then you can say this is also 1/4. Here NQ is 1/4. If you will do the second right bisector toward left hand side, suppose point is R, then you can say PR is 1/4. So with the help of ruler and compass, we can find the half of the line segment, as well as we can find 1/4, as well as we can find 3/4 also, as shown in the question with logic, reason and justification.